everyone. I wish all of you a happy new year 2023.
Hello everyone, even I wish all of you a happy new year 2023 and really happy investing for all of you.
So today we will discuss about Samvardhana Motherson International Stock.
Yeah, that's right. And yeah, we'll discuss on this talk because we could see a good chart pattern on this.
According to me, it is making the W pattern stock.
Yeah, correct. So this chart is making here, if you see in a long term, it is making a W pattern. So, friends, we will not be going in depth about the this fundamentals because already we discussed in our past videos. This is a very fundamentally strong company. We already checked all these points. Okay, so now we'll discuss only on the this recent chart pattern. So when we see this recent chart pattern on a daily candle, it is forming a kind of a W pattern here. So this is how it is going on. So we can say that. And when coming to this exact levels and targets, so we were thinking that this stock, the levels, the exact levels with the Fibonacci retracement tool. You can see here when we analyze this, you can see this when we draw this naturally. Fibonacci is it gives always a natural numbers and it is also called as a golden ratios. So recently it has given a closing above this 73. So now it has crossed 73. So if you see this, you have seen this. So it has crossed this 73 rupees. It's a golden ratio line. Now it is ready for this, even it has touched 75. The moment it crosses 75, it reaches to this 77.5. After this 80.6. Now how we are telling this? Always a stock makes a particular chart pattern. If you see this already, even in case of this, that W pattern, double bottom. So when we see this double bottom in a long term, and also it is crossing, you see this. It has all the possibilities to move up. But coming to this short term, we can see first it will reach to on a daily candle. Let me see this. First it will reach to 80.6. Then from here it will go to 80.53. You can see this 89.53. Then later it may, because of some profit booking, it may come back to 80.6. If it doesn't come back, then the next level it will go to 104. Here it is 104. But if I put this on the weekly chart for a long term, this is what we are discussing on the long term. So short term we already said here. What it may happen is, here 127 rupees what it is showing. Yeah, it will reach, because until now whatever the chart pattern is making, if you see this in detail here, you can see this. This level, if you see, this is at exactly 80.6 in the past. See, let me draw one line so that if you see this, yeah, 80.39 is already taken one resistance, and it will touch here first, and then from here it will touch this 89.53, because in the past also you can see this. And later, maybe in the coming months, then it will maybe reach to 172. This is what it is visible here. On monthly base, when if you see this candlestick, the wick is the higher side. That means people are trying to push the price up, not on the downside on a monthly candle. On weekly candle also, it is a green, so it is like a bullish engulfing. It has already eaten up this red candle, so it's a bullish engulfing pattern, chart pattern. You can see this bullish engulfing here. If we see this kind of candlestick, then there are the chances that it will go towards up. Okay, so now if we are looking for long term, you can buy this stock. Maybe you have to do a further study on this. This is only our viewpoint. based on the previous. Now to reach this next, what is that, 173, how many days it may take? If I draw this range, 190 trading sessions, it may take 190 days to reach next 172 rupees level. So if I clone this, we can say by 2025 April, but you can see this below date is there. You can see this by April 2025 it will reach to this approximately same value, that is 172. Then later definitely the profit booking will happen, then it will come back to 134 maybe, and then it will start moving up. So when we see this, because company is already always growing, see in the past it has given the bonuses shares. You can see this 2012, again in 2013, again in 2015, see 2017. So it's almost one year, 1.5 year gap only. Again in 2018. Now only recently it has given a bonus share. So who knows, maybe in the coming year, by 2023 December, again bonus issues may happen here, because if you see this past trend, because already there was a gap, so definitely, so 35 billion in case if it crosses, so there is a chances that even before that by 2023 it may happen. So we need to wait and watch. December 2023 it may get split, who knows. Otherwise anyway it is going to get split after 2025. So keeping a long-term view, if we stayed invested instead of getting panic for short-term falls, it'll be a good one. Then as we know that once it reaches here, once it reaches here, definitely it will make some consolidations, then it may make a flag, then there is highly chances that it will grow, because it's already into EV segment. Let me see that now here. See this, we are trying that it may reach here, then it may get consolidated, then it may try to move to again to 85 or something, because coming years are is with the EV vehicles, so it's already a supplier to the EV. This is basically belongs to auto ancillary, and company has been maintaining the healthy dividend of 39%. So even if you stayed invested, you will get the good dividends. So compared to this you see this is the auto ancillaries. So Samvardhana Motherson debt to equity ratio is just 0.68. Anything less than 1 it's a very good, and 0.5 it's excellent. It is just excellent. Whereas one more, that is Motherson wiring harness, is just 0.34. So this is what we see. If you see that quarterly sales, if you are comparing now September 22, so if you compare this past 21, so 14,076 to 18,461 crores. So it's always growing. So these are some data. You can get it from in the net. Better to stay invested. You will get even dividends. It's not an issue. Yeah, this what it's an analysis. So maybe by 2025 it may reach to this what the value we said. Again 170. Minimum 2 years to 3 years we have to give the time here. So we can expect even a split again, and not split, like a bonus. So this is how we can analyze for a long term. So let us wait and watch what is going to happen. Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe my channel and press the like button. It will motivate me to bring new topics.